Hello and welcome to this beginner's guide to Autocad 2024. If you're a student, professional, or just curious, you've chosen a powerful tool. This tutorial starts from the basics, assuming no prior experience. We'll build your confidence step by step, explaining each command and feature. We'll demystify the interface and break down concepts into manageable steps. Consider this your roadmap to mastering essential tools. By the end, you'll have a solid foundation for your future endeavors. With practice and guidance, you'll become fluent in Autocad. Follow along actively, pausing as needed. This journey transforms you into a capable creator, ready to bring your ideas to life. Let's start with, what is Autocad? So, what is Autocad? The name itself gives us a clue. It stands for Automatic Computer-Aided Design. At its core, Autocad is a sophisticated software application used for creating precise two-dimensional and three-dimensional drawings. Imagine the traditional drafting table used by architects and engineers for centuries, complete with rulers, compasses, and protractors. Now picture that entire setup digitized, enhanced with incredible power, precision, and flexibility. That is essentially what Autocad is, a digital drawing board for the 21st century. It was first released in 1982, and it revolutionized the way designers and engineers worked, moving them from paper and pencil to the computer screen. Unlike image editing software like Adobe Photoshop, which works with pixels, Autocad works with vectors. This is a crucial distinction. A vector is a mathematical entity defined by points, lines, and curves. This means that no matter how much you zoom in or out of an Autocad drawing, the lines remain perfectly crisp and clear. This mathematical precision is vital for the industries that rely on the software. A drawing of a building's foundation or a machine part must be accurate to the millimeter or even a fraction of a millimeter. Autocad provides the tools to achieve this level of accuracy, making it an essential tool for technical drawing and design. The software allows you to do much more than just draw lines. You can create complex geometric shapes, add text and dimensions, and organize your drawing into layers, much like transparent sheets stacked on top of each other. This layering system allows you to control the visibility of different parts of your design. For example, an architect could have separate layers for the floor plan, the electrical wiring, and the plumbing systems. This organization is fundamental to managing the complexity of large-scale projects. Autocad is not just about creating a final image, it is about creating a detailed, data-rich model of an object or a space. In essence, Autocad is a language of design and engineering. It provides a standardized way to communicate complex technical information visually. A drawing created in Autocad can be shared with engineers, manufacturers, and construction teams anywhere in the world, and they will be able to understand the design intent with perfect clarity. It bridges the gap between an idea and its physical realization. Whether you are designing a simple piece of furniture or a massive skyscraper, Autocad provides the platform to develop, refine, and document your vision with unparalleled accuracy and efficiency. This is the power you are about to learn how to wield. Now that we understand what Autocad is, let's look at who uses it. The answer is incredibly broad, as the software is a cornerstone of numerous industries. Perhaps the most well-known users are architects and architectural technicians. They use Autocad to create detailed floor plans, elevations, and sections for all types of buildings, from residential homes to massive commercial complexes. These drawings are the blueprints that guide the entire construction process. They contain every critical detail, including wall thicknesses, door and window placements, and structural elements, ensuring the final building is constructed exactly as designed. Engineers of all disciplines are also heavy users of Autocad. Mechanical engineers design machine parts, engines, and all sorts of mechanical systems. They rely on Autocad's precision to create detailed schematics and assembly drawings, ensuring that every component fits and functions perfectly. Civil engineers use it to design infrastructure projects like roads, bridges, dams, and drainage systems. They create site plans and topographical maps, laying out the groundwork for our modern cities. Electrical engineers draft wiring diagrams and circuit board layouts, while manufacturing engineers use it to plan factory layouts and production workflows. Beyond architecture and engineering, Autocad has found a home in many other creative and technical fields. Interior designers use it to create detailed space plans, arranging furniture, lighting, and finishes to craft functional and beautiful interiors. They can present clients with precise layouts to help them visualize the final space. Similarly, landscape architects use Autocad to design parks, gardens, and public spaces, planning the placement of plants, pathways, and water features. Even professionals in fields like set design for theater and film use Autocad to draft detailed plans for their stages and environments, ensuring everything is built to the correct scale and specification. The list of users continues to expand. Urban planners use the software to map out city developments. Surveyors use it to process field data and create accurate property maps. Product designers use it to conceptualize new consumer goods. Essentially, if a job requires the creation of precise, scaled drawings to communicate a design for manufacturing or construction, there is a very high chance that Autocad is the tool of choice. Its versatility and long-standing reputation as an industry standard make it an indispensable asset across this wide spectrum of professions, connecting ideas to reality through the universal language of technical drawing. So, we have established what Autocad is and who uses it. The final question is, why should you, as a beginner, invest your time and effort into learning it? The most immediate and practical reason is career enhancement. Proficiency in Autocad is a highly sought-after skill in the job market. A quick search on any job board for positions in architecture, engineering, construction, or design will reveal that Autocad is often listed as a mandatory or highly preferred qualification. By learning this software, you are not just acquiring a new technical ability. You are significantly increasing your employability and opening doors to a vast range of career opportunities across multiple industries. Beyond just getting a job, learning AutoCAD fundamentally improves your design and problem-solving skills. The software forces you to think with precision and logic. You learn to break down complex objects and systems into their basic geometric components. This process enhances your spatial awareness and your ability to visualize objects in 3 dimensions, even when working in 2 dimensions. It teaches you to be methodical and organized, particularly when managing complex drawings with multiple layers and components. These are transferable skills that are valuable in any technical or design-oriented field, making you a more effective and efficient professional. Learning AutoCAD also empowers you to bring your own ideas to life. Whether you are a student working on a project, a hobbyist designing something for your workshop, or an aspiring entrepreneur developing a new product, AutoCAD gives you the tools to turn your concepts into professional quality designs. You are no longer limited by your ability to sketch by hand. You can create accurate, scalable plans that can be used for presentations.